Good morning students. What did we see last week? We saw that degrees of comparison, isn't it? Okay, let's continue the same grammar. Today I am going to teach you rules about positive, comparative and superlative. Means today I am going to make the sentence according the rules. Okay, see that this is a big ball. Okay, this is a big ball. So in this sentence there is no comparison, isn't it? So it is called positive degree. So positive degree means no comparison. Okay. So where it is adjectives in this sentence? Big, ball, noun. So adjectives describe noun. Okay. So how do we change comparative degree? Let me tell you. The red ball is bigger than. The red ball is bigger than orange ball. Okay, the red ball is bigger than orange ball. So in this sentence, comparison between two ball, isn't it? The comparison between two ball, red with orange, isn't it? So that is called comparative degree. So comparative degree means comparison between two person or things. Okay, so here it is. I used er plus than refer comparison. Okay, comparison two person or things. So er plus than, I used er plus than. So how do we change in superlative degree? Let me change. The red ball, okay, the red ball is the biggest among all the balls. Okay, all the balls. So in this sentence, comparison between among all the balls, isn't it? So it is called superlative degree. So superlative degree means we must use the plus est. The plus est refer superlative. So when do we use more in the comparative degree or most in the superlative degree? Let me tell you, more than two syllable. Okay, more than two syllable means we use more in the comparative degree and most in the superlative degree. Okay, let me tell you. Now I am going to make sentence. I have never seen so beautiful. Okay, I have never seen so beautiful a city. I have never seen a beautiful city as Bombay. So in this sentence, positive degrees. How do we identify it is positive degree? Because what is coming here? So plus as, isn't it? So plus as refer positive. Okay, so plus refer positive degree. Okay, so positive degree means no comparison. So how do we use more in the comparative degree or most in the superlative degree? Means how do we change in the comparative degree? Okay, listen. Bombay is more beautiful. Bombay is more beautiful than any other. Bombay is more beautiful than any other city. Okay, any other city that I have ever seen. So in this sentence, comparison between any other city. Okay, so why do I use more in the comparative degree? Because because before means because beautiful adjective isn't it? So beautiful 3 syllables isn't it? Beautiful 3 syllable. So more than 2 syllable means we use comparative degree means more, superlative degree means most. So why do I add more here means because adjective is 3 syllables, so that I used more before the adjective. Understand? So now how to we change in the superlative degree? Let me tell you. Bombay is the most, Bombay is the most beautiful, the Bombay is most beautiful city, okay, city that I have ever seen. So here it is, I used most, isn't it? Most refer superlative, okay. So why do I used most? Because beautiful 3 syllable means adjective and 3 syllables, isn't it? So that I used most. So most is refer superlative degree. Understand? So when do we use most or more than 2 syllable means we used more in the comparative degree and most in the superlative degree, okay. So I miss this type 1 over, okay. Next we have to see type 2, okay. Type 2, listen. Naveen is the shortest boy, okay. Naveen is the shortest boy, okay. Naveen is the shortest boy in the class. Naveen is the shortest boy in the class. So in this sentence, superlative degrees, isn't it? How do we identify that? Because what is coming here? The plus est. So the plus est refer superlative degree, isn't it? So means we must add the plus est. The plus est refer superlative degree, okay. Now Miss Naveen is the shortest boy in the class, like this, okay. So how do we change in the comparative degree type 2? See here. So Naveen is shorter than. Naveen is shorter than any other boy, okay. Naveen is shorter than any other boy in the class. Naveen is shorter than any other boy in the class. So in this sentence comparative degree, isn't it? How do we identify? Because I used er plus than, isn't it? Er plus than, where it is? Er plus than refer comparative degree, okay. Then what is coming here? Er plus than refer comparison, okay. Next, how do we change positive degree? Means no other boy, okay. So any means er plus than, okay, over. So next we are going to change positive degree. How do we change that? No other boy in the class. No other boy in the class is as short as Naveen, okay. So no other boy in the class is as short as Naveen. So in this sentence positive degree, how do we identify? What is coming here? No other plus as, isn't it? So I used no other plus as. So these are refers positive degree. Understand? Type 2 over. Next I am going to teach type 3. Means how do we change? How do we use very few or as, then, many or most other or one of the, okay. Let me make one sentence. Asoka, okay. Asoka was one of the greatest, okay. Asoka was one of the greatest of king. Asoka was one of the greatest of kings. So in this sentence called superlative degree, isn't it? How do we identify that it is a superlative degree? Because what is coming here? One of the, isn't it? So one of the refers superlative. Understand, student? So one of the refer here superlative degree. Okay, so how do we change in the comparative degree? Let me change. Asoka was greater than most other kings. Okay, Asoka was greater than most other kings. Okay. Asoka was greater than most other kings. So in this sentence, it is called comparative degree. So how do we identify this comparative degree? Because I used ER plus than, and after that many or most, any one we have to use. Okay, most other. Okay, ER plus than refer comparative. So it is called comparative degree. So how do we change in the positive degree? Means how do we use very few or assess? Let me tell you. Let me make one sentence. Okay, very few kings. Okay, very few kings were so great as Asoka. Okay, very few kings were so great as Asoka. So in this sentence it is called positive degree. So how do we know that it is positive degree? Because I add very few plus assess. So as or assess same only. So very few plus so as I add, so that it is called positive degree. Understand? Sometimes we cannot use superlative degrees. Okay, when we compare two person or two things, that time we cannot use superlative degree. Okay, let me make the sentence. Okay, wait. Means sometimes we cannot use superlative degree. Means when do we are not use superlative degree? Means when do we compare two person or two things? Means that time we cannot use superlative degree. Let me make one sentence. After that you can understand. Okay, coffee is hotter than tea. Okay, coffee is hotter than tea. So in this sentence, comparison between two things, isn't it? Coffee and tea. So that I use ER plus than. ER plus than refer comparative degree, isn't it? So here it is compare two things only. So when we compare two person or two things, that time we cannot use superlative degree, but we can change positive degree. Okay, let me change the positive degree. Tea is not hot as. Tea is not. Sorry, students. Tea is not as hot as coffee. Okay. Tea is not as hot as coffee. So in this sentence called positive degree, how do we know that? Because I used as, isn't it? As refer positive degree. So here it is, we cannot change superlative degree because we compare only two person or two things. So when we compare two person or two things, that time we cannot change superlative degree. Understand, students? Okay, students. I hope you understand means what is means degrees of comparison and how do we change positive, comparative and superlative, everything. I hope you understand what I teach you. Next time we are going to see articles. Okay, thank you students.